It's a new dawn. It's a new camping day. Today, me and my dad are going to go to the south of Belgium again. My dad's on his Yamaha Tenere 700 Rally Edition. I'm on my CB500X, the Honda. We're gonna go for 2 nights to the south of Belgium to a camping that we already have been to, so we know what we're going to. It's a lovely camping, like with a little grassy area next to the water, so you're gonna love it. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. The weather is awesome. It's kind of a spontaneous trip. I think we decided like 2 days ago we're gonna go because the weather is so nice. So yes, we're kind of the spontaneous adventurers. Isn't that right?
Yeah, exactly right.
So you're looking forward to the camping trip?
Always, but especially with this kind of weather.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
It's already 3:30 in the afternoon because I I did the night shift in the hospital and now I slept and now we can leave. So we're just gonna stop talking and ride. I always forget my earplugs. First tank break. We've not been riding for so long. We just wanted to check the tire pressure and make sure we have enough gas to get there. It's not going to be a problem. It is very hot. It is more than 30 degrees, which is for Belgium pretty hot. And the last couple of weeks was kind of cold, so it's a big difference. So if you're standing still in the sun, on the tarmac, it really gets hot. Alright, time for a snack and some water because it's hot. The choice became a Fanta and some croissant. God damn it. So yes, a Fanta and some croissant. And for later, some Belgian beer, of course. My dad bought a few new accessories. Taller windscreen, some protection. What else?
The ram mounts.
The ram mounts.
For the tom-tom and for this.
Alright. Great. Review coming soon.
Et vous avez mis sur l'ampoule. Je vais voir dessus à l'intérieur parce que je ne vois plus.
Oh, wat hoor. We stopped. It's still a shock because all of a sudden it came down. It was hail, it was painful. So that's why we said, okay, let's stop for a bit. We saw it coming from like miles away. We saw in the distance like a little dark spot with a lot of rain coming down. So we knew like it's gonna rain, but then it really came down. So yeah, just waiting for a second because we know that it's only local. So in a couple of minutes maybe it's gonna stop. So then we can ride on. So yes. Alright, the weather has kind of slowed down. It's still raining, but it's okay, and it's that way, so I hope it's gonna stop raining all around, and we're gonna try up and hopefully not set up the tent in the rain. Let's see. We made it! Alright, we made it to the campsite. This is where we're at. This is our little table that was here already. Mosquitoes biting me again. Our motorcycles. The tent. You might wonder, in the time lapse, why did only my dad set up his tent and I did not? Well, the answer is really simple. I am a retard. I forgot the sticks to set up my tent. So I'm gonna camp up with my dad in his tent because he's got room for two. Thank God. Otherwise, it would have been a disaster. But we'll manage. We'll be okay. I hope you can understand me because there is this stream that passes here, which is lovely. I'm probably gonna sleep with earplugs because it's really loud. I asked the lady if we could make a fire, and we can. And there is like this fire bowl that you can use here, but we cannot use the wood that she has. So it's not gonna be for tonight because it's already 8:30 or almost 9, I think. So it's gonna be for tomorrow. Well, yeah, we're just gonna eat something now and yeah, relax. And then tomorrow it's gonna be part 2 of 3 because the last day we're gonna ride back. It's gonna be another separate video. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. And now, bye bye. Yeah. That smells.